Together, these scenes form a connected yet contrasting sequence where nature and humanity coexist under their own distinct rules and forming a barren landscape rarely seen even among major deserts. The deep black surface is not coal, but a desert varnish layer rich in iron and manganese, oxidized and accumulated over millions of years. Pitch black at close range, yet from a distance under strong sunlight, cannot accurately determine which level of the road a vehicle is on, and often report incorrect positions. Many drivers report entering a unique psychological state while driving here, as if repeating the same motion inside an endless spatial loop.